this is the duration 40 parameter.
Yes.
To verify the combination changes in the models in random control. This is also important. Lee explains that a step using AIST level for training purpose and enough information of whereby the axis and training line along for training axis and along for the training purpose.
Yeah, so for the first question, I would like to see again our datasets. So for the first question, so the question is datasets is separated from any combination or just random. So I would not say that we choose this input dataset randomly, and I will explain why we choose this. Of course, for any combination sampling, it will show us which parameters will affect more to the model performances. However, when we choose any combination, it can make our model biased, meaning that it has so much information on that parameters and it lacks the other. So it makes our model less performance in prediction. So like I said, what depends on the model, it needs to have the distribution that have even distribution or Gaussian distribution, and yeah, because it only then it will have more information about equally for each parameters, and only then we can ensure that it can predict for all of its design. And that's yeah.
So that's mean this is the combination of 1/14 parameter.
Yeah. Yeah, we have around 1,847 samples for each of yes, of course, this, yeah, maybe initially we see it so random. So at first we have actually around 2,000 samples. So it is the least amount of sample that we want to train our machine learning model. However, when we import these datasets in the machine learning model, it not perform well because it has the outlier. So the outlier is very few designs that show very small or very large values which affect our model. So we don't want that in our model. So we include it for this dataset. So it's only have 1,000.
So you do 2,000 simulation.
Yes. Yes, yes.
So you need to select by your hand or by eyes to see what kind of criteria to select. If the data is bigger, set a criteria to select the size.
Yes, so to determine the outlier, so if the value is larger than 1.5 times the maximum or lower than 1 time for the minimum value, so so it will consider the outliers and we include it.
Minimum maximum one?
I'm sorry, it's not minimum. This I'm sorry, if the value is larger than the means of the data plus 0.5 the value of maximum,
acceleration in comply with standard.
Yes, so this is the definition of the outliers in statistics.
Standard, any rule standard factor or not?
I don't know if any model also use this approach to determine the outliers, but I use the definition of outliers.
So you decide by yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You normally design structure before the standard, especially for abstract platform. Because now it's like you optimize the structures. But the algorithm should be basically feasible. For further study. You can see a lot. Could you explain step by step for our picture here to understand